Are your Nintendo Switch volume buttons not responding? No sound changing and nothing showing up on the screen. Don't worry, this is often caused by a minor glitch, a misconfigured setting, or sometimes a hardware issue. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the most effective ways to fix it. Let's get started. Fix 1. Restart the console. The first and easiest thing to do is a simple restart. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. Once this shows up, select Power Options. Choose Restart from here. After the system reboots, test the volume buttons again. This clears out any small software glitch that could be causing the issue. Fix 2. Try a forced reboot. If restarting didn't work, try a forced reboot. Press and hold down the power button of your Switch for 15 seconds. Yes, count it out. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 15. Then release the button. Wait a second. Now press the power button once normally for 3 seconds. After that, try the volume buttons again. This method works when the Switch is frozen or not responding properly. Fix 3. Test in recovery mode. Use your power button to power off your Switch completely, and press and hold the volume up plus volume down plus power button all the way at the same time. Keep holding until the recovery mode screen appears. If this screen comes up, it means your volume buttons still work physically. From here, you can exit out and restart the system normally. But if the recovery mode does not show up, your buttons are definitely broken or faulty. So you'll need to take your Switch to a repair shop to fix it. But just because your volume buttons don't work, it doesn't mean you can't still adjust your volume. It's actually pretty easy to do. Just press and hold down the home button of your Nintendo Switch for 2 to 3 seconds, and the quick settings menu will show up. You can easily adjust your volume from here. Just move the slider to your liking to adjust your volume. And that's how you can fix your Nintendo Switch volume buttons when they're not working. Go through each step carefully, and in most cases, you won't need a repair. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.